In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload a video that you've created to OneDrive in order to share a link to it with the students via Showbie. So when you open Office 365, this is the window that you get. And at the top here, you've got all the different apps that are available to you. If you click on OneDrive, which is this little cloud, it will open up a new window. And inside that, you can find any files that you do have currently saved to the OneDrive cloud. Now, you can create folders just like you can on the desktop by clicking New Folder. I'm just going to upload it straight into here. And to do that, I go to Upload, and it's a file that I want to upload. And I then need to find the file and open it. And immediately it will start uploading, and you can see that it's uploading over here. And if you click on this, you can see the progress and how long it's taking to upload that file, what the file size is, for example. This will take a little bit of time if you do have a large video, but as long as your internet connection is running, you can leave it running in the background. So now that you've done that, you can see very quickly there's the opportunity straight away to share a link, and a menu will open. And from in here, you've got some options. You can click on there, and there are 4 different options depending on how private the work is that you, or the video or the file is that you are sharing. So anyone with the link, this means that you don't mind the link being sent around by the recipient to anybody else, anywhere else, and they can use it. People within St. John the Baptist School, that means that they would have to have a login, a username and password to Office 365 as part of our domain to access it, or specific people or people with existing access. I would suggest that you keep it as this one here, people in St. John the Baptist School with the link. And this is very important. If you don't want to give them access to be able to edit the file, you must untick this box. Click on Apply, and then you can copy the link. The link's been copied. And now you can open up Showbie, and you can put that link into one of the assignments. So I'm just going to find the right place to put this in here. And I'm going to just select the Year 9 and 10 Home Learning folder. And there's a section for us for support videos, and I'm going to add it into this folder, this assignment, the week beginning the 11th of May, or you could obviously create a new assignment and go into shared items, and then I can put my link, I can just paste it straight into that box using Control V, and then click post. And as you can see, that link is then there for the students. I could write in some instructions to them, and I could post that as well. And that is how I share a link from OneDrive of a video that I've created into Showbie. I'm just going to flick back very quickly to OneDrive, close these windows, and show you how you would find the link if the file was already in OneDrive. So to find the link, if the file's already in OneDrive, all you need to do is hover over the top of it, and this little arrow appears here. And if you click on the arrow, you get that exact same menu. And you can go in and you need to reselect the options. It doesn't save what you selected previously. So I wanted to untick Allow Editing and Apply, and then I can copy that link again. and go and paste that into Showbie that way if I wanted to. And that's how you can very quickly send some video files to the students once they're saved onto OneDrive.